Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing corned beef jollof rice. It's so delicious and we are using our all-purpose jollof rice stew. So guys, come along with me and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Now guys, come along with me and let's do this delicious recipe. Just look at this. So guys, to start, I'm using the oil from our stew, okay, that I took off. And then I'm going to add some chopped onions, all right, and you cook it until it's light and translucent. And then I'm going to add my corned beef, okay. I've just cut them into cubes. You can use any corned beef of your choice, guys. It's delicious because the stew is so nice. So I tell you, lovely. The next bit, I'm going to add some curry powder onto my corned beef, and then I fry it for a bit, okay, as you can see. And then I'm going to add my stew. You see how easy it is. So stay with me, okay, and let's do this. If you like it, please just press the like button. So guys, I'm putting some salt in it because there was less salt in my all-purpose stew. And then I'm adding some bay leaf as well. You know, I added the corned beef before the salt, okay? So you have to do that to check salt. And I've added some green peas because I love peas in my jollof rice, but this is optional, all right? So the next bit, I add my jasmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice as well. My jasmine rice needs very little water to cook, okay? So I'll add just very little water to it and I'll cover it with my kitchen foil. And then, yeah, that's it. Very easy, as you can see. So come along with me. So guys, our jollof rice is done. It's the steam that cooks the rice. As you can see, it looks really good and it tastes amazing. So you have to try my all-purpose jollof stew, okay? You do jollof rice in just an hour during the week if you're a busy mom. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. I paired with some salad and some grilled chicken. Lovely. This is our next recipe, guys. So do subscribe and share. Bye.